Hi guys. Today we're going to make a few more of our 10 elements, elements 5, 6, and 7. A drum beat that lasts for 8 measures but stops on beat 1 of measure 8, a filter sweep of the drum beat, and also some delayed sounds. Alright, let's check this out. Okay, so this lasts for 8 measures, but it drops out on the 8th measure. The easiest way to do that is to make a 2-measure drum beat that you like. And then get that whole 2 measures by clicking in this bar up here and making it black and duplicating. Now 2 times 2 is 4 measures, times 2 is 8 measures. Alright, we've got it 8 measures long, and now we're just going to chop out that 8th measure. And there it is. It just is going to drop out. All right, I added a bunch of extra things to this, but one of them is this filter sweep. Okay. I added this filter sweep, so if you go into your audio effects or your user library and the preset that you already made of your audio effects, the rack that you created, drag it in and put it in here, and then adjust the filter dial that you made. I also added some delay to it, so it was bouncing around in there. I did another fun thing with all these drums here to add up into the build-up. So I made some fills with a bunch of toms and snare drums. And on this tom you can see these envelopes. Hit the E button down here for the envelopes. And then these buttons tell you which envelope you're working on. Right here I'm working on the high tom-tom. And so now I can see the transpose envelope. The transpose, it transposes the pitch. So this first tom, when it'll descend. And this snare drum's going to go up, right? Way up. Alright, the last thing we're going to add in is some delayed sounds. So I recorded myself saying some sounds. You could use some instruments, but I recorded myself saying a sound, and then I added ping pong delay. Audio effects, ping pong delay. Ping pong delay is different from the simple delay. It ping pongs between your ears. I gave it some feedback. I adjust how frequently I want the first bounces and adjusted the feedback. All right, so it'll sound like I'll solo it. You can hear it going back and forth. So once I got that, I'll probably control, freeze it, control, flatten it, and then I'll put it over in the arrangement view and chop it up how I want it. All right, let's put that in there. Here we go. Okay, so an 8-measure drum beat that drops out in measure 8. Filter sweep on your drum beat with the auto filter. Some delayed sounds. Okay, have fun.